Hi, welcome to Katerina Finds. Let's review Saji bag for the bread. It helps to keep bread fresher for a long time. I do bake my own bread, so I was excited to find something that is reusable, which is made from the cotton and has a beeswax inside as a liner. The beeswax can become a little bit harder when stored in the fridge. So when you store the bag in the fridge, so just don't be scared that it's a little bit harder. It's just the temperature affecting the beeswax. It comes two in a package. Super excited. So the bag itself is made from 100% cotton. If you run out of the liners of the beeswax, which is inside, you can use bags as a storage for fruits, vegetables, wherever you need to. But for the bread, using it this way. I don't know how soon the beeswax bag become bad, but I think you're supposed to be using dry, non-sticky bread, and I think it should last for some time. Look how awesome it is. It has a closure. You can hang it. This product is made from food grade materials. How to clean it? You just, first of all, use it for the dry bread and you just wipe dust off. The removable beeswax bag that is inside helps you not to waste the whole product itself, because you can just replace the inner bag and keep the outer bag, which of course helpful to minimize waste. When you clean it, of course, just dust off the inner bag. Don't use any hot water, any heated tools with it. You can hand wash or rinse it with the mild soap, and you can separate two pockets to let it air dry. Let's try it with my own bread. Bake the bread. I think you can tie it up as the wet bag. You just roll it down like this and then just use the closure. So you can carry it to like picnic, you can hang it, keep it at home, you can put it in the fridge. I love everything natural. It's something that I bake my own bread. It's something very useful for me, very interesting, and I am excited to give it a try and use it. I do recommend it.